Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the incompatible driver quickly. Open Device Manager and spot yellow warnings, then copy the device model and driver version. Once done, make sure to export the existing driver or note its INF and vendor details so you can reinstall if needed. Next, create a restore point and backup important files. This prevents data loss if a new driver breaks the system. Finally, download manufacturer drivers on a trusted computer if the affected machine cannot access the internet. You proceed by removing the incompatible driver cleanly. Boot into safe mode if kernel issues exist and uninstall the driver from Device Manager, selecting to delete driver files when prompted. Once removed, install the correct, signed driver, run the manufacturer installer as administrator, or use pnputl/add driver for INF packages. Make sure to reboot between removals and installations so services reset properly. If prompted, choose the recommended settings. This reduces mismatches between driver and firmware. You finish by verifying the fix. Confirm the device appears without warnings, run vendor diagnostic tools, and stress test the hardware briefly to ensure stability. If you see regressions or crashes, roll back the driver from Device Manager or restore the system point you made earlier. This quickly returns you to a working state. If problems persist, collect logs, Event Viewer, and Setupapi. Dev. Log and note exact error messages before contacting support, because accurate logs shorten troubleshooting and guide the correct driver selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.